Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 7 and the name of our unit is the role of government and citizens. So my dear students, today I will deliver its 5th lecture. So before moving on towards the main lecture, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. For that, listen to the questions very carefully and then answer them. So quickly tell me that which services are provided by the government to its citizens? Education, healthcare, electricity, water, gas, security, transportation. These are all the different services which are provided by the government to its citizens. Next is who gives us protection? Military and police force, and it is provided by the government. What are the responsibilities of our government regarding health facilities? That every citizen must have the basic healthcare facilities so that they can remain healthy. Okay, my dear students, now is time for an activity. For activity, what you need to do is you will watch this video and the link is attached in the description box below this video. Click the link and have a look at the responsibilities of good citizens. I hope you have watched the video by now. So my dear students, जैसे कि previous lecture में हमने responsibilities of government पढ़ी, आज हम responsibilities of citizens पढ़ेंगे. तो ये आपने एक lecture देखा जिसके अंदर different responsibilities of the citizens जो हैं वो discuss की गई हैं good citizens की responsibilities. आज भी हम good citizen की responsibilities जो हैं उनको discuss करेंगे. So my dear students, good citizen की क्या-क्या responsibilities होती हैं? They must be caring. They must have citizenship to help each other. They must respect each other. They must have self-control and patience. And they must be responsible. Okay? And they must be honest also. So these are the responsibilities of a good citizen, which they must have. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to identify ways they can demonstrate good citizenship like playing fairly, helping others, following rules, taking responsibility for one's actions. So my dear students, आज हम good citizen की responsibilities पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि अगर आपके कुछ rights हैं तो आपकी कुछ responsibilities भी होती हैं. Previous lecture में हमने government की responsibilities पढ़ी थी और आपके rights discuss किए थे. अब आज हम आपकी responsibility पढ़ेंगे as a good citizen. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards the Islamic perspective. So Allah says in Quran that, O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes, that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. So my dear students, now is the time for pre-reading questions. So quickly tell me that who is a citizen? A citizen is a resident of a country. Very good. So which country do you belong to? Pakistan. Very good. So do you use different services provided by the government? क्या जो आपको government different services provide करती है आप उसको use कर रहे हैं? पानी, बिजली, gas use कर रहे हैं ना? So that means you are using different facilities and services provided by the government. So my dear students, now I request you all to please open the responsibilities of a citizen in your GK3 books, unit number 7. I hope everybody has opened the page. So now let's start the reading. So there are several ways through which a person can be good citizen of his country. Number 1, every citizen should follow the rules. So आपको rules follow करने हैं, okay? Number 2, he should be fair in all spheres of his life. So that means उसको honest होना चाहिए, fair होना चाहिए. Whether he is working, playing or doing anything. So being a kid, आप खेलते हैं. Me being an adult, मैं काम करती हूँ या कुछ भी करती हूँ. हमें honest होना चाहिए, हमें fair होना चाहिए. Number 3, a citizen should help others in time of need. So we must be helping and caring and we must help others in their time of need. Number 4, if someone commit anything wrong, he should take responsibility for his actions. He should try to fix his wrongdoings and avoid harmful activities to the country and its people. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि अगर आपसे कोई गलती हो जाए तो आपको अपनी गलती की जिम्मेदारी कबूल करनी चाहिए और आपको चाहिए कि आप अपनी गलती को सुधारें और जो भी आपसे कोई खराबी हुई है उसको ठीक करने की कोशिश करें। इस तरीके से हम अपने कंट्री के साथ भी लॉयल होते हैं और हम दूसरों को कम से कम नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं। सो बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड इफ यू डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इट and try to correct it. So there is nothing wrong in doing something, doing a mistake or anything. Okay. Number 5. Every citizen should remain loyal to his country and its people. So my dear students, एक बहुत important बात यह है कि आपको patriotic और loyal होना चाहिए अपने मुल्क के साथ, ठीक है, वफादार होना चाहिए अपने मुल्क के लिए, ठीक है. So these are all the qualities of a good citizen. These are all the responsibilities of a good citizen. All such qualities make him a good citizen. Everyone should practice them daily and make them a part of their lives. So my dear students, being a Pakistani citizen, being a responsible citizen, हमें चाहिए कि हम इन तमाम चीज़ों को, इन तमाम values को daily practice करें ताकि हम भी एक good citizen बन जाएं पाकिस्तान के. Okay, my dear students, now the responsibilities of the citizens are to be loyal to their country, follow the rules, should help others, must be responsible and should be fair. So now what the teachers know, there's an activity here. So teachers, please be attentive and listen to the activity. Celebrate a cleanliness week. Ask students to make unique slogans such as green earth, clean earth and submit them to the teacher. The top 5 slogans will be designed on the posters. These posters will be pasted on school walls. Instruct the students to arrange a neighborhood cleanup day. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको क्या करना है कि आप स्टूडेंट्स को होमवर्क दे सकते हैं या क्लास में आप उनसे डिफरेंट पोस्टर्स बनाएं द वे आई हैव डिजाइंड अ फ्यू. आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहे होंगे और इनके नीचे स्लोगन्स भी लिखें. कीप आवर अर्थ ग्रीन एंड क्लीन, एवरी डे इज एन अर्थ डे. ठीक है, इस तरीके के आप पोस्टर्स डिजाइन करें. एवरी एक्शन हैज अ रिएक्शन, वी हैव वन प्लैनेट वन चांस, एंड एनवायरमेंट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग शीट टू अस from God. If we destroy it, it will uncover us. Don't be so mean, just be green. So my dear students, आपने इस तरीके के posters बनाने हैं, अपनी मर्जी के colorful posters बनाएं और जो top 5 posters हैं उनको स्कूल वॉल के ऊपर पेस्ट किया जाएगा फॉर अवेयरनेस एंड स्टूडेंट्स कैन हैव अ क्लीन अप डे इन देयर नेबरहुड और इन देयर स्कूल. ठीक है, आप एक क्लीन अप डे बनाएं जिसमें आप अपने स्कूल को भी साफ करें और अपने नेबरहुड को भी क्लीन करें. Okay, my dear students, no earth, no chance of living. So these are different posters that you can design. So now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class and then good citizen. Are you a good citizen? Yes or no? Yes, I am a good citizen. So who is a citizen? A citizen is a member of a community and country. So what do you do to be a good citizen? Okay, very important. आप good citizen बनने के लिए क्या करते हैं? What do? You must do cleanliness, keep everything clean. You must be responsible, caring, respectful. So these are different responsibilities of a good citizen. So pause the video and quickly finish this worksheet. I hope you have finished it. So submit it to your teacher and we will move forward towards page number 64. Exercise E. Quickly open it in your books. So my dear students, here is a word bank given. So what you need to do is आपको इसमें से rights और responsibilities जो है वो एक citizen की अलग करनी है. Let me do the first one for you. Obeying laws is right or responsibility. It is the responsibility of every citizen. So you will write it in responsibilities. Next is ensure justice, education. So education is your right. Ensure justice is also your right. So this is how you will complete the rest of this page. Quickly pause it and complete it. I hope you have done it. Now let's move forward. So my dear students, now is the time for evaluation. Quickly tell me, who is a good citizen? The one who is caring, honest, respect the laws and help others is a good citizen. So what are your responsibilities as a good citizen? we must help others, we must keep our surroundings clean, we must be honest. So these are the responsibilities of a good citizen. Okay, my dear students, now is the time to quickly note down your homework. For homework, you will do home activity number 4 given on page number 60. So, write some other traits of a good citizen other than the given in the book. So, my dear students, आपको good citizens के कुछ और भी traits लिखने हैं जो कि book में दिए गए हैं उनके अलावा. Think about them and then write it. And then you will do independent activity number 3 in your homework. Ask students to make a chart on qualities of good citizen. Mark those qualities that you already have. Which of the remaining qualities will you like to adopt? What will be its impact on society? So my dear students, आपके लिए एक creative homework है. आपको एक chart बनाना है जिसपे आप good responsibilities of good citizen लिखेंगे. जो आपकी responsibilities हैं उनको tick करें और जो आप adopt करना चाहते हैं फिर उनको circle करें. So this is how you will know that what you can do more to become a good citizen. So my dear students, these are the responsibilities of a good citizen which are given in the books. ठीक है, तो आप इस तरीके से इनको copy में note down कर सकते हैं. This is your homework, and then you will move forward towards exercise number C, and you will encircle the correct answer. It is given on page number 63. So obeying the law is a trait of citizen, government, or both. It is the trait of both. Okay. It is the duty of government to provide us with food, clothes, or water. Water. A large group of people living at one place is called a family, community, school. Community. So a person can work for the welfare of a society by playing games, making roads, growing plants. Growing plants. Identify the basic needs of citizen, education, health, both. So my dear students, you will finish it in your homework. Now let's move forward towards the wrap up of today's lesson. So today we have learned that as a good citizen, we should also cooperate with our government. So my dear students, एक good citizen होने की हैसियत से हमें चाहिए कि हम अपनी government के साथ cooperate करें. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.